Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevy Cruze LT. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 1.8 4-cylinder pushing out 155 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front LED daytime running lights. A gray cloth interior. Rear spoiler. Opening up the tailgate. Got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with a keyless entry, a blind spot assist, power windows, power seats. Moving in, we've got our steering wheel controls, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, climate control, heated seats, automatic transmission. This car has 25,484 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of the Chevy Cruze, check out feldmanimports.com.